Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Shahid sir, can you hear me? Shahid sir, I can't hear you. Just set up your microphone properly so that I can hear you. I can't hear you. Shahid sir, can you hear me? Okay, but I can't hear you. That's why I'm asking again and again. Okay, I will continue the class. Um, so, in yesterday's class, we have seen about the memory. What is the primary memory and what is the secondary memory? Okay, okay. What is the secondary memory and what is the cache memory? And in the primary memory, we have seen what is the RAM, what is the static RAM, what is the dynamic RAM. Yes, sir. Uh, no, no, I will share later. Now my voice is audible to you? Okay. So in that we see the volatile and non-volatile. So and we have seen the about the flash drive, hard disk and CD and all those things. And we have discussed about the cache memory as well. So these were the things about memories. So today's class we will see about operating system. So what is operating system? Okay. Generally, when you see on a computer, there is something visible to you. That is operating system. When you see your mobile phone, you there is some software visible to you. That is Android. That is the operating system. When you see your laptop, when you see your desktop, that is the operating system available on that. That is Windows. Okay. For example, if anyone is using iPhone, he has the and OS, Mac OS, sorry, Apple, Apple OS. Okay. Same way Mac is also there. Okay. Same way Linux is also there. The people who are using the computer in the companies to interconnect with one computer to another computer, they use the Linux. So what is generally operating system? Okay. So operating system is the interface between the user, hardware and the software. So it connects with that. So it forms operating system. So I will share the my screen here and I will go to the slide. screen share. So this is how I'm sharing the screen. I hope everyone can see this. So here I am opening the, this is the slide. Shai sir, can you see the slide
हाँ
I
अरे
shared?
भाई अब पढ़ रहे लॉक कर ले
Okay, thank you. So we will see what is operating system here on the slide. An operating system, OS, is an interface between the computer user and computer hardware. What is the operating system is that it is the interface between the computer user and computer hardware. So it is the interlink, having the link between the hardware and the software things. So it gives you result. What is that? The operating system. Operating system is a software which performs all basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk, drive, and printer. All the things are controlled, like example, printer, disk drives, and input output peripherals are controlled by the operating system. So just I will show you what is operating system. You see this screen, okay? This is just our operating system, okay? We have this is nothing but the operating system. On the monitor we see is operating system, okay? We do many actions through this, okay? We perform many operations through this. So coming to the slide. So again I am saying what is operating system is the interface between a computer user and computer hardware, okay? Next point. Why do we need an operating system? It allows a program to run on multiple different types of hardware. So our computer CPU and all those things are the hardware component. Keyboard, mouse, and printer, and uh, desktop is that comes in the hardware thing. So it allows them to get program, okay? Multiple different things. Operating system provides a layer between the program and hardware to enable program to use standard interface no matter what hardware is used, okay? Again it is saying it is using as an interface between the hardware and program, okay? So seeing the next point. What are the 5 types of operating system? 5 operating system example we know. Most common operating system we use Windows, Microsoft Windows. What we are using on the desktop now, it is a Microsoft Windows. Apple, Apple phones, those who are using, they have the Mac OS, okay? Linux, those who are using the computers with the large amount of computers and networking in the offices, they have the networking channels and networking network link. So they use the Linux operating system. And Android, what you people use in the mobile phone, that is also comes into the operating system. And Apple OIS. Mac is different, and Apple iOS. Sorry. So this is also an operating system. So this DOS. Sorry, what is DOS? In olden days, when there was no operating system, first operating system was introduced was DOS. It has no image reading. It has no any graphic cards and all those things. So it only reads the text file. So DOS is nothing but it used to read only the text file, huh? And zeros and ones, all those things, and alphabetical things that used to be read on the DOS. Okay, is an operating system that runs from the hard disk drive. Okay, the term can also refer to particular family of disk operating system, mostly commonly MS DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. So Microsoft introduced this later, okay, with the disk operating system as, okay, MS Word. In olden days, that was only the DOS was there, okay. And nowadays in the Windows MS Office, sorry, Microsoft Windows, it is inbuilt now. DOS is inbuilt in that, okay. Whenever you are using this Windows, DOS is inbuilt, okay. It is a disk operating system. So these are the versions from the starting onwards, how MS Windows has come, okay. MS DOS first was there. Windows 1.0 was 1.0 to 1.2 was used. Windows 3.0 to 3.1, and Windows 98, sorry, 95, Windows 98 Millennium Edition, and Windows 2000, and Windows XP, Windows Vista, all those names you might have heard. Windows 7, now whatever what we are using, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows Server, Windows Home Server, Windows CE, Windows Mobile, Windows 7 and 10. Windows 10 is the extended version in the present time, okay. Now we came to know these many versions and who are maker of this, okay. The question arises, who has made this first, okay. We will see who is the owner. Microsoft was founded by the Bill Gates. You might have heard the Bill Gates name. He was one of the richest person at one time, okay. So, and Paul Allen, he is a co-founder, I think, okay, on the April 4, 1975, okay, to develop and sell basic interpreter for the Altair to 8800. It was to dominate the personal computer operating system market with MS-DOS in the mid 1980s, followed by Microsoft Windows. So, if a general question is being asked to you, who is the founder of the Microsoft? Who is the owner? So, who is the owner of Windows? Is the Bill Gates. Okay, I will show the picture of Bill Gates. He is the Bill Gates. You might know him. So this is about the class, okay, about operating system. I will give time to ask the question. I will take now another slides is notepad, okay. I will, those who have the question about operating system, they can ask in the later. I will give you 10 minutes. Now we will go to the notepad, okay. I will introduce what notepad is, okay. Notepad is a simple text editor for Microsoft Windows and basic text editing program which enables computer user to create document. It has been included in all versions of Microsoft Windows since Windows 10 in the 1985. From the 1985, Notepad is being used. What it is a inbuilt, it is along with the Microsoft an application which comes along with the Microsoft, okay. What we do, we will see on the notepad, okay. I'm sharing the screen, hope everyone can see this, okay. Please raise their hand if everyone can see the screen. Raise their hands. Yes, Sheikh Abdul Rahim. Okay, raise down your hand. Be concentrative in the class. Raise down your hand so that I can. So, notepad. Basically, notepad is the what is the notepad we have seen. It is the writing simple text editor, okay. Basic text editing program enables computer user to create document. So it helps in making the documents. So how I will go? I will go into start. I will go into the all programs. There is accessories and notepad is there. So I can make a I can make a pin to taskbar also, so that you can see it has come down here. So I will click here. I will click here and open. Okay. This is the notepad. So what you can do, you can simple write essay, you can write some document, you can write some matter over it, and you can store it, okay, on the on the notepad. So I will show you how we will do some editing on this. First I will write my names my name is Gausuddin. Okay, I have wrote on the sample notepad. So untitled is there. Okay, these are the menu bar. Okay, so first I can go to the file and I want to save as. Okay, I want to save it. I will give name. Okay, now first it was showing untitled. I will say practice 1. Practice 1. I'm saving in the documents. Okay, save. Now you will see practice 1 as a name of notepad. So this is how I edited. Okay, I saved it. Okay, so my name is House. I wrote. We have file, we have edit, we have format, we have weave. We in the status bar we have status bar in that, and help. We use less this one. Okay, but this three we use a lot. Okay, so I will show what is here. Copy and paste. So I can just copy this like this with the mouse, control C, and here control V, control V, enter, control V, enter, control V, enter, control V, enter, control V. So this is how I am editing. I am making the copy and paste. Okay, so I have shown you what is copy and what is paste. What is cut? I will show you cut, how to do cut. Okay, what is cut? Okay, I wrote this. What is cut? Okay, I will just select it and do cut. It will go away, but when I do paste it will come. So it is what is cut. Okay, it I used here. So this is how I use the cut. Okay, select all. This is how I select. Okay, I entered. Okay, control Z. So this is how I select. I can delete also. I will do copy, paste again. Okay, so that was a select all. Okay, so again there is here save. If I want to save it, whatever I wrote after creating file, I just control S. It will get saved. Okay, whatever addition I did, that will get saved. So I have here find also. Control F. I want to find something. Okay, I want to find some word here. I want to find where is Gauss is written. Okay, Ghouse. Gauss is there. Okay, I just found. No, wait. I will go into the uh, find next. Okay, No, I will go to the find. I will check the name. Where is name is written? Okay, name. Find next. So it is showing name here. Okay, I will go for up. So it will show up like this. Whenever I click on this example, you have wrote a lot of things on the file, on documents. You want to search something. Okay, you search something and you just go and write their name. Like example, I want to find name, and I can watch it where it is. Okay, if I want to go down, just down, find like this. Okay, so next thing we will see, if I want to find exact what it is, for example, match case is there. I want to find with capital letter name, n, n with capital, n with capital, and match the case. So I found, so cannot find the name. Okay, exactly if I want to find what it is, like um, with the difference name name, so capital name n, so I can't find in that text, so it will show there is no cannot find the name. Okay, so this is how we use this find. So again we have replace. So replace, so many might have seen the Three Idiot movie. Okay, just raise their hand who has seen the Three Idiot movie. I want to check. Okay, everyone might have seen the Three Idiot movie. So in that you will see uh, a professor says uh, to memorize the speech, and he gives that. Okay, Amir Khan goes and he edits there. Chatur's speech he will edit. He will say some word to something. So it will be funny. Okay, he just find like this. He just go to replace. What he do in the text file in the computer, Amir Khan, what he does, he go to just replace. He says chamatkar to balatkar. So it will get edited. Same way, I will write here Gauss. I will write Gauss to Mujahid. Replace. Replace. So it is replaced here. See, Mujahid has come. The name, my name is Gauss, is changed to Mujahid Uddin. So if I want to change all, replace all has gone to Mujahid. My name is Mujahid. My name is Mujahid. So this is how Amir Khan used to uh, make the speech different. So he just replaced in the file with some word to something. So it was funny. So this is all. In this also we have match case like this option. So, and another thing what we have seen. So this is the things we have seen. We have go to also have their page number. So if there is a page setup, we will go for go to. Let me take some water. And we have page setup. Very important thing. I will come later to what is page setup is. So if you are go on writing like this something, the Microsoft Notepad will go on like this. It will go on. There is up to what number we write, it will go on. I think it will go to infinity also. Okay. We want to do some setup in this. Okay. In this format, we have word wrap. So it will come into form like this. It will come Until we don't give enter, it will go like this. So we can give enter word map, it will give in enter form. Okay, so this is how what we enter, like this, enter. So it will give in this form. So again, what we have time and date. You want to give time and date here. Okay, so just when you are writing, you do fi also, it will give time and date. Here it has given. So there is option of in notepad to give time and date also. And you have the page setup also. We have page letter type, legal type, and A4 size. Legal we use in the advocates and lawyers use. So this is how it will look, legal. And you can just give page left and right spacing also, like this. So it has gone given this much space. Okay, and the right left is that, and right what you have done, you gave like this. Okay, it has given some space here. This is for the page, and P, it gives name on the page number, like this. When you do typing, it will give page number also in the printing section. So I did okay. Okay, and you give print. This is the print you give. So I will show you. This is simple. I have no printer attached now, so you can give print like this. So it is showing here some print. So in document I go and I check practice 1. So why it is showing like this? I overlap the file. Wait. So this is how we give print also. From here we give print. Okay. Some blah blah I wrote. So this is how page setup is there. I gave 3 size, 3 here and 2 here. So this is how in the print the page setup has come. Practice 1 name. Okay. Hope you have got something. So I will review once again. We have seen operating system. What is operating system? It interface between the user and hardware, and it manages the memory, input, output, output device, printer, and all those things. So why we need the operating system? We use operating system for what, and what is the different operating system? Microsoft, Apple, Linux, Android, and all those things. What is this operating system? It has no graphics. It is inbuilt nowadays with Microsoft operating system, the versions, and who is the owner, when it was found in 1980. 1980, 80s, followed
Excuse me,
with the
sir.
mic.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Okay. Okay, go on. Who is
Hello?
asking? Yes, you can ask the
Uh,
question.
I have a little doubt, sir. On your desktop, I have observed that it's showing this copy, this window copy is not genuine. what is the exactly difference between that genuine copy and not so genuine copy?
Actually, sometime the original copy will also become like this, because we have to update it. Okay. There is some also crack copies which are pirated, which are downloaded from the internet and installed in the computer. The original copies are to be bought from the market. Okay. And installed in the computer. It will not show the
Okay.
problem. And if it is the original also, it will ask for update. Okay. And there is a key also available. So if you have the original CD, you can update it. With the key. Okay. So
Okay.
there will be no problem.
Okay. Sir, how to download that not so genuine copy from my internet?
There is available, but you need to do crack to it. Okay. Just downloading is not easy. You have to download and you have to do crack. So that is a process. Huh? If I have time in this course, I will go with that part also, how to do crack and all those things. So
Okay.
in the application, in the internet section, we will deal. Okay. If we
Okay, sir.
have time
Thanks.
in this course. So
Thank you,
if
sir. Fine.
anyone has, okay, owner is the Bill Gates. If anyone has the question, they can raise their hand. And we have dealt about the notepad also. Is a simple text editor. Okay. So if anyone has the who, I hope who is using, I want to know who is using their desktop or laptop. Raise their hand. Who is using their desktop and laptop? They have to use this thing. Okay, raise their hand. Raise their hand. Raise down your hand. Sorry, raise down. I can see many of the people are not using the. Many of the people are not using the laptop. Okay, those who have the question, please raise your hand. It's clear, I think. Shahid sir, can you unmute MD Zafar?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
I would
assalam.
to ask that what is the difference between MS Word and Notepad? Because we can do more than better in the MS Word. What I can do in the Notepad?
There is no a lot difference. Uh, you can have in MS Word some other features. Next class will be about MS Word. I will disclose what is the difference. Okay. So
Okay,
first,
sir.
if you have the question about the, in this class, I am teaching about the notepad. If you have the question, if you didn't understand anything, you can ask anything. If I go for the next class, what is MS Word, you will automatically get understand this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I hope there is no questions. If there is question, they can raise their hand. I will allow one question, I think. I hope everyone is clear. So I will conclude this class. If there is no question, I will conclude this class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Shahid sir, they don't have the question. Okay. So I want to conclude the class. Sorry. Shahid sir, if you want to give any message, you can give. But your mic is not audible. So I will come there. Okay. Okay, dear student, Shahid sir will give some message. He will convey some message.
Hello class, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, anybody can hearing me?
Walaikum assalam. Yes, sir.
Good. अब क्या है कि वो गौस सर का क्लासेस ऑलमोस्ट हो गए। आज का जो उनका प्लानिंग था, आप लोगों को सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? किन्हीं को कोई दिक्कत या किस तरह का कोई प्रॉब्लम्स?
नहीं सर, आ रहा सर।
If you any question, any problems regarding your courses, topics or anything, you can ask me. You can tell me. You can share with me. If everybody is good, fine, that's okay. Fine, yes sir, thank you sir. और अच्छा, तो किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? We have 2 minutes. Okay then. We should end that class, okay? ये क्लास हमें एंड कर देना चाहिए, ठीक ना? ओके ओके, किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? नो ओके ओके, देन वी विल सी टुमारो ऑन दिस टाइम, ओके? और आप सबका अटेंडेंस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बन चुका, हो चुका।